Alright, so here is a very quick tutorial on how to glaze our ornaments that we are making for the tree lot. You're going to need black and red, remember one color at a time. Red underglaze, they both need to be non-glossy, so here are the Amico velvets, one red, one black. Also remember that you can use Speedball. Speedball is also non-glossy, one black, one red. And I also want to remind you that Speedball comes in these wide containers as well now. I'm going to start with the red, and I'm going to go ahead and carefully open this. And I think I'm going to go red on the paws, red on the letters. So I'm going to take this brush. I don't know that a fan brush is the best brush to use, but that's what I've got at my table. So I'm going to go ahead, and I'm not just going to do the letters, but I'm also going to fill that little edge line. Make sure it's nice and saturated. I did some pouncing in there like that. And I'm going to wait for that to dry. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab black. I'm going to take the black, and I'm going to use the black to create the paw. So I'm not going to do that one yet. I'm going to do this paw here. It's the same exact method. I'm going to pounce the glaze in there. Make sure it's nice and saturated, and I'm going to let it dry. If I were you guys, I would do all the SRHSs first, like one color at a time. That way I can jump from boom, boom, from boom, 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 boom. This is going to dry. It's almost there yet. You can see it's a little, means it is still wet, so please make sure you wait until it's dry. Now I have my water container here. Make sure it's a large container so you don't make a big mess. And my sponge has been completely squeezed out. I'm going to wipe once across, twice across, and leave it at that. Boom. There you go. I'm going to go ahead and fill this with black. And let it dry. Make sure you get in there really well. I'm going to show you how you do the paws. So I've used my sponge once on each side. I'm going to go ahead and wipe once across, twice across, and boom, let it do its thing. If you get a little bald spot like this, you can grab a tiny brush, a real skinny brush, and go in here and fill it in. Please remember that these ornaments are going to be sold. Oops. These ornaments are going to be sold. They're sold for $10 a piece, so we want to make sure that they are very neatly done. Once you've got your black and your red on there, you're going to wait until they're dry, maybe about 15 minutes, and I'm going to go ahead and apply clear coat. I would like us to use this clear coat first. This is a 3 layers. You can usually get away with 2 layers. 3's best. It's in this Parmesan cheese container, so let's use this one and not the other 2 brands that are over there. And that's it. This is what they should look like, except they're going to be nice and shiny.